Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Dramacool application on your Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet pressed the notification bell, so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Dramacool app on your Android, open up your Play Store. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now go to the search box and type in Dramacool and tap search. Once you find the application at the very top, which looks like this, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Dramacool is an application that is specially designed for Korean drama lovers. To get instant dramas, you can request any Korean drama on live chat, where you'll be provided with that drama link. Once the application is downloaded, tap open the app. And that's how you can easily download Dramacool application on your Android. Now you can request your drama that you would like to watch live on live chat and enjoy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.